This is the login screen of the application. To begin, enter your username and password, and sign in. Once logged in, you will be taken to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you can see the list of available modules. The application is organized into 3 primary modules. The billing module, used for managing sales and billing operations. The raw material module, which supports production and material management. The expense module, where all operational expenses can be recorded and tracked. The customer module is used to manage customer and perform any billing corrections needed. You will also find the reports section, which provides access to various operational and analytical reports. Finally, the admin menu allows you to configure and manage the system settings required for the application. Now let us walk through the loading slip screen under the customer billing module. This is where the empty vehicle weight and other details of purchase are captured. At the top of the screen, the system automatically displays the slip number, date, and time. The live weight reading from the weighbridge is shown in the display panel. If required, the weight can be cleared using the reset weight option, or adjusted using the tier weight option. Once the vehicle is positioned correctly, click on Capture Weight and Image to record the weight along with the vehicle image. Next, select the vehicle type. Enter or select the vehicle number. Choose the payment type by selecting either cash party or account party. For a cash transaction, select the driver phone number, then select the corresponding party name. In the material section, choose the material type. The material cost per ton is automatically populated based on the selected material. Before submitting, you may click Check Balance to verify the available balance for the selected party. The loading slip can be printed using the Print Loading Slip option. After verifying all the details, click on Submit to complete the loading slip entry. This completes the loading slip transaction process in the customer billing module. Let's move to billing, where the filled weight of the vehicle is captured and the sale is made. Click on the billing slip. Here you will see all those vehicles that have entered with loading slip. Double-click on the vehicle for which the billing has to be done. This will take you to the billing screen. At the top of the screen, the system displays the in-date and time, and the out-date and time for the vehicle. The serial number for the transaction is automatically generated by the system. The live weight from the weighbridge is displayed on the screen. When Capture Weight and Image is clicked, the system automatically captures the vehicle weight and vehicle image from the camera. For now, let's enter manually. The gross weight represents the total weight of the loaded vehicle. The tier or empty weight represents the empty vehicle weight. Based on the gross and tier weights, the system automatically calculates the net weight. If required, the weight can be cleared using the Reset Weight option. In the Billing Details section, the net weight in tons is calculated automatically. If applicable, enter permit charges and sales commission. The system automatically calculates and displays the grand total. Select the mode of payment. Under Transaction Details, choose the payment method such as Paytm, Google Pay, PhonePe, or account transfer. Then enter the transaction details below. Once the weight details are verified, click on Print to generate the weighment slip. After verifying all billing and payment details, click on Save to complete the billing transaction. This completes the billing and weighment process in the Crusher application. Now let us move to the raw material or the production module. In this module we enter the transactions of the vehicles, which brings raw materials to Crusher. Click on the loading slip for capturing the filled weight and other details. At the top of the screen, the system automatically displays the serial number, date, and time of the transaction. Begin by selecting the vehicle type. Next, enter or select the vehicle number. Select the material supply location where the unloading should take place. When the vehicle is loaded with raw material and positioned on the weighbridge, click on Capture Weight to record the loaded or gross weight. If required, the weight can be cleared using the Reset Weight option before capturing again. In the Activity section, select the contractor for each of the activities. Cost per ton for the selected activity and contractor is fetched automatically from the system. Once all details are verified, click on Print Loading Slip to generate and print the raw material loading slip. After printing, click on Submit to save the raw material loading transaction in the system. This completes the raw material loading slip process in the production module. Let's move to billing. Click on the billing slip. Here you will see all those vehicles that have entered for unloading. Double-click on the vehicle for which the billing has to be done. This will take you to the billing screen. At the top of the screen, the system displays the in-date and time and the out-date and time of the vehicle. The serial number for the transaction is shown automatically. After unloading the material, position the empty vehicle on the weighbridge. Click on Capture Weight to record the tare or empty weight of the vehicle. For now we will enter the empty weight manually. Based on the gross weight and the empty weight, the system automatically calculates the net weight. If required, the weight can be cleared using the Reset Weight option before recapturing. Based on these values, the system calculates and displays the grand total. Select the unloading point. Once the billing details are verified, click on Print to generate the billing slip. After printing, click on Save to complete and record the raw material billing transaction. This completes the raw material empty weight capture and billing process in the production module. Now let us move to the expense management module. Click on Expense module. Under that, click on Expense Management. This will list the expense that you may want to edit. If you want to create a new expense, click on New Expense Entry button in the button. This screen is used to record and manage day-to-day operational expenses. On the left side, the system displays the default fields. The serial number is automatically generated. The date is set to the current date, and can be edited if required. In the Company Account section, select the company account details from which the payment will be made. If required, a customer invoice or supporting document can be attached using the Browse and Upload Photo option. In the Expense Category section, select the main expense category. If the category does not exist, you can add the new category by clicking the plus sign. Select the relevant subcategory for the expense. Choose the payment location where the expense was incurred. In the Expense Data Entry section, select the payment mode. Select the party or vendor from the list. Enter the expense amount. Select the applicable GST percentage. The system automatically calculates the GST amount and the total expense value. Enter any additional remarks, if required. Click on Print to generate the expense voucher. Once all details are verified, click on Save to record the expense entry. This completes the expense entry process in the Expense Management module. The Crusher application provides a comprehensive set of detailed and summary reports to meet both operational and analytical requirements. All reports are generated from a cloud-based database, where data from the Crusher site is uploaded in real time. This allows you to access live operational data from the comfort of your office or from any remote location. Let us now take a quick look at the available reports. First, click on the Profit and Loss report. Select the required date range and click Submit. The report displays daily income, expenses, and the corresponding closing balance. You can export this report by clicking on the Excel or PDF option. Next, let us move to the expense report. Select the date parameters and click Submit. This report shows all expenses incurred on a daily basis. Click on the Download option to export the report. The report provides detailed expense entries, along with summary views at category and subcategory levels. This analysis helps identify spending patterns and opportunities for cost optimization. Let's move to next report. Next, select the Daily Dashboard report, choose the date range and click Submit. Then click on Summary Download. This report provides a consolidated summary of sales, production, and expenses for the selected period. Now, click on the Credit Party Ledger report. Select the year and click Submit. This report displays credit party billing details, payments received, and outstanding balances. The data is shown month-wise, helping you track pending collections for each credit party. Next, open the Income Daily Report, select the required date range and click Submit. At the top of the report, you can view tonnage details by material sold, along with amounts collected through cash and online payments. Since this data is sourced from the cloud, you can monitor live sales activity, even while transactions are taking place at the Crusher site. Now let us move to the Raw Material Daily Report. This report provides production details. Similar in structure to the sales report, it allows you to track production activity in real time. You can export this report to Excel, using the available download option. Finally, click on the Contractor Summary Report. This report shows contractor-wise production activity, including billed amounts, payments made, and outstanding balances for each activity. The data is available with a month-wise breakup for the selected year. This concludes the reporting demonstration of the Crusher application.